Hey everybody, it's TR. I'm back with another RV how-to video, and today I've got another leak. I was in here and I had to take this panel apart because I was searching for a leak, and when I put everything back together I didn't realize it, but apparently this old outdoor shower is leaking. This project should be pretty straightforward, but I've said that before, and then it could take 2 or 3 hours. So we're going to see how well this works out. The parts you're going to need is, I bought 2 new hookup hoses. These are Camco 1/2 inch NPT hookup hoses. They should be a perfect replacement. I got this, which is the replacement handle, and it should be plug and play. It should go right back into the position it was in. Of course, it comes with a new shower head, which is nice because I haven't had a shower head for quite a while out here. It long ago got busted. I've tried everything to get this other one to not leak. You know, I put Teflon tape on it. That didn't work. I tightened it up as tight as I could get it. That didn't work. So we're just going to replace the whole unit. Basically, all the tools you're going to need is, well, in this case, I'm just going to need a pair of pliers. And I'm going to get in here and take these loose. Normally, you don't need Teflon tape on this kind of a fitting, but like I say, I tried everything. All right, get that junk out of the way. Let's see. Oh, those are zip tight. I'm going to have to go get a pair of wire cutters. Well, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood when you're working in the mud puddle. All right. Take it off with a pair of pliers if I can get up into it. It's a tight fit, but we can get her done. As per usual, it's going to be easier to take things apart. Got it. So what this is, by the way, is a backflow preventer. And so there's a little valve inside of this that when there's water going through it, it opens. But when the water shuts off, it closes. And that prevents stuff from backing up into your system. All right, now we should be able to pop this out and add a little to the mud puddle here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in here and I'm going to pop this loose. This is the cold water side, and this would be the hot water side. These are cheap, cheap, cheap. Let's put this one up in there. Having some fun now. All right, good. Enough. Okie doke, we got those hoses on, and it's time to put this all back together. Yeah, there we go. You know what they say about plumbing, hot's on the left, cold's on the right, and shit runs downhill. Never fails. Like I said when I first started this project, a 10-minute job usually turns into an hour. But I think I got that. This guy seems to be fine. I don't see any leaks there. Alrighty, I think we're getting pretty close here. I'm going to go ahead and finish installing these 2 backflow preventers. All right, so let's mount this up in this plastic cover. And where did those nuts go? Oops, back here. All right. Okay, hot it is. This hose requires a couple washers provided with the kit. Let's take some of the kinks out of this. Got this nozzle widget here, thingy in there, put the washer in there, tighten this one down. Okay, let's go turn the water back on and see if we got any leaks. Hey, I think we got her. So that'll have to do it for this RV how-to project, replacing the outside shower control. Thanks for watching, I do appreciate it. Till we get together the next time for another RV how-to video. Peace.